I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of El Salvador.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. El Salvador would like to welcome the adoption of the resolution protection of civilians and upholding legal and humanitarian obligations, which we consider to be a concrete and tangible result of this emergency special session of the United Nations General Assembly. My country believes that the text recently adopted by this Assembly is an urgent response and a balanced one, which is placed at the very core of this organization, and that is the protection of all civilians as well as the urgent provision of humanitarian assistance. President, El Salvador condemned and will continue to condemn all terrorist acts, whatever its motivation is and wherever it takes place, and by whomever it is undertaken. We ask that we stop indiscriminate attacks as well as aggression against all civilians. We ask that we bring an end to human suffering and also to widespread destruction. Thank you very much, Mr. President.